make sure you check out my channel. I have lots of tutorials as well as discussions about being a belly dancer. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so that you can be notified of when new videos are released. So today, I didn't realise I haven't done this move before on this channel. It's a walking hip flick. I've been doing this a lot in class lately. My students love it. It's a fun one. It's a little bit complicated, but I'm putting it there as a basic move and that you can layer onto it afterwards. So remember, with our basic hip flicks, we're starting with our feet hip width apart, pelvis tucked in, chest up, and then we're bending one knee and straightening it as we push our hip out. Other leg bend and straight, other leg bend and straight, bend and straight. So from the side you can see I'm bending and straight, bend and straight, bend and straight. And as I straighten that leg, I'm pushing that hip out to the side to get the accent. So we're doing this, but with a little bit of a walk as well. My hip that is flicking is always the one in the direction that I am going. So if I'm stepping to the side this way, then I'm flicking this hip. So I start off stepping out, keeping that knee nice and bent, then flicking to the side, getting that accent. The other foot, very simply, just follows along. Coming out and flick, together, out, flick, together, out, flick, together. Let's try the other side. Bending and straight, bending and straight, bending and straight, bending and straight. I was practicing this with my class today, and some of the common problems that people had was firstly not getting the accent on the hip. They were getting the accent on the step. So make sure that you use the hip to get that accent. That's what the accent is, the step, flick, and then just together softly. Step, flick, together softly, step, flick, other way, step, flick, together soft, step, flick, together soft, step, flick, together soft. One of the other problems I saw was that people would bring the hip up rather than to the side. So this one, very simple. It's different to our butter step. Very simple, just coming across with the bend and straight in the direction that we're going. So this one, I do use it to the side, but most typically I will use it when I am traveling back. It's really beautiful with drum solos. When you're hitting that beat, but you need to move around as well. Often with drum solos, we think, oh, what kind of walk can we do? And we can do our shimmies or walking forward, or we can do our shimmy as we come forward. But this one's a nice one because it's a different walk, but still really works with that beat. So if I was doing it to the back, you can watch, I'd be going like this, which is really, really nice. Or you can do it on the diagonal, looking towards the way you're coming. Otherwise, it's quite lovely as well if you have your hands up, out of the way, as you're flicking across. Quite like the hands there for that one as well. So I hope you like this move. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, write in the comments how you go with it, and if you have any questions. And as always, happy dancing.